It's okay. No, 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 no. I need to check what's the for roach. That is good? Okay.
Mila.
Yes. But it's small, not large. It's small.
Small means it's coming like this.
Yeah, it's okay.
Small chicken.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Just a shortcut here. Maybe there's a shortcut something, I think, huh? This one? Because if you go Medina Road traffic. Yeah, okay, try this. Yeah, maybe this one.
Sa first look, nung una kitang makita sa Facebook, kakaiba pa ang iyong pangalan, para bang ang hirap mong hawakan. Wala nang akong ibang hahangarin, laking pasasalamat na ika'y sa'king dumating. At hindi ka babaliwalain, magkasama lang kita, yun lang ang aking hiling. Cause ilang araw ka nang hindi dumadalaw, alam mo bang hinahanap kita araw-araw, gabi-gabi ako hindi mabakali, inaalala ko ang mga bawat sandali. Dahan-dahan na mahulog, hindi ko na malayas.
No, 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 no. It's not here. Maybe the next one.
Matagal ko nang hinihintay, ang tanging larawan mo na lamang ba, ang tanging hawak-hawak ko.
Yeah, this is the one.
At kahit anong gawin, limutin ka,
Perfect, amigo.
hindi malis sa isip ko. Kasi di ko na matiis, love, dahan-dahan kitang mamimiss, love. Ilang beses mo nilang aliwain ako at di ko pa rin ang gusto kong kinikiss, love. I don't know what to do, but then I'm gonna say, cause every time na narita ako'y napapanig, di na magagalaw sa kinatatayuan. Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahuhumalik, at sa tuwing ikaw ay lalapit, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil. Huwag mo sanang iisipin na papagod na ako. Di ako apurado, pero sa'yo ano ba? Gusto ko lang naman makasigurado. Kapag nakikita ka, ako ay napapaling. Bawat kiling
You're nothing, huh?
Pagising, hindi mapipigilan na sa'yo'y mapatingin. Highlang, lakas ng iyong dating. Kapag nakikita ka, ako ay napapraning. Bawat hiling mo na pagising, hindi mapipigilan na sa'yo'y mapatingin. Ako ay tinamaan sa katatangi mong ganda. Bawat galaw ng iyong balakang ay napapatayo mo ang lanta. Kung halaman sa katunayan, madalas nakatitig sa iyong larawan. Ang dami naman yung iba, pero ewan ko ba ikaw ang hinahangaan. Di mo na kailangan ng brownie Catriona at maging neneng di pa ang iyong katawan.
Very
Kahit
cheeky.
tingin nila sa'yo ay iba na, sa'kin ikaw pa rin ang number one. Highlang, lakas ng iyong dating.
When they
Kapag
start,
nakikita ka,
they
ako
stop,
ay
there's a
napapraning.
link.
Bawat hiling mo na pagising.
Before they're in Balad because their shop is big. That is okay. But now, no.
Kapag nakikita ka, ako ay napapraning. Bawat hiling mo na pagising, hindi mapipigilan na sa'yo'y mapatingin. Umaga, tanghali, hapon at gabi, sipi ko lagi ang nasa tabi. Kapag may bagong upload ng video, teka ora mismo din ang mapakali. Diretso tindahan, di pwede pa-load para ma-share ko at mapanood. Maubos man ang giga 50, okay lang at least hindi na ubos sa phone. Di man makapag-ML, sa'kin ay ayos lang. Makita ko lang kay TikTok mo, sa'kin ay ayos yon. Kaya Ling, sana ako'y pansinin. Huwag mo nang sayawin ang tala, kung di naman kita dadalhin. Hi Ling, lakas ng iyong dating. Kapag nakikita ka, ako ay napapraning. Bawat hiling mo na pagising, hindi mapipigilan na sa'yo'y mapatingin. Hi Ling,
You start racing here. Because they are going left, going right.
bawat hiling mo na pagising, hindi
will-
mapipigilan na sa'yo'y
You will go
mapatingin.
your turn.
Di mo na kailangan ng brownie
Then,
Catriona at maging
Kalibin will,
hindi pa ang iyong katawan. Kahit tingin nila sa'yo ay iba na, sa'kin ikaw pa
We can
rin
go
ang
here.
number one.
Here.
Highlang, lakas ng pagdating. Kapag nakikita ka, ako ay
You know,
napapraning.
was that I think Sally? He like
Mapipigilan na sa'yo'y
Yeah.
mapatingin.
even my friend.
Lakas ng
I you know it. Go, I told you don't do. You not listen. Go. Ana min. I min. Okay. After that, you know, tomat put. He don't care.
Yeah, then people will start to
That's why if I'm in this car, I know what it's doing.
it's not good anyway. All people are waiting for the signal and it's
I love
going
the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk. It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me wet. And I can see her
Every corner there is the making the drainage.
drainage or cab.
I don't know. Yeah, I think everywhere they are making digging.
They're not finishing anything.
I don't know.
They're digging more.
Yeah,
When they start in the High Street,
yeah, in my
still
area.
not finished.
Until now, you know this the hospital there, not yet finished. Look at this new building.
Don't stay away for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
I think this one.
Pagising sa umaga di mo lang alam, ikaw yung tanging nasa isip.
Kaya kita sa paraan na ako lang ang nagkakaalam.
Dagdag pa dyan ang ngiti niya, pagdiningan ka pa niya, sure na finish ka.
Uy, Mingay,
I love the
Ming.
way she makes me smile, she
Pregnant
makes me smirk.
Mingay.
It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me birth. And I can see her beaming down Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her.
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk.
Finito.
It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it
Finito
gives me birth.
buffet.
That restaurant
I can see her
always
beaming down Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her.
that is also
Yeah, now that Philippine now closed.
closed.
Meaning to say that area is unlucky.
Yeah.
If there's another restaurant, it will close again.
This is not good.
Bad luck. But the place is bad luck.